President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asemera umurimo guriyo no gukorwa amashomero mu ihangana munongago agarukombe ko musinje gwedino mbeji obutumwa bwa President bushomerwa Minister wa Government z'ebyanga Rafael Magezi amukoro gwo kwigure kanisa ninga Shichapo aharubwera Nyanjigaruzi mu district ya Bushenyi.
The completion and commissioning of St. Paul Chapel is proof of the school's commitment to raising God-fearing students. In most cases, schools emphasize only academic excellence and neglect the moral and spiritual development of the students. This creates a big problem for the country.
Ona President asimira abo bona baterita faraha murumo gwo kombeke kanisa yabeji ahishomereri.
It is written in the book of Matthew chapter 4 verse 4 that, open quotes, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God, close quotes.
Ekaniseji eshorirwe Bishop wa Western Kore Right Reverend Johnson Tuyinomujono kandi arabwira beji okwerinda kushemererwa kwa Satani bakefuza bwa nyuma.
You will feel pleasure. You will think this is good. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Listen to me. Shortly after, you will discover that not all pleasure is good.
Bishop Tuyinomujono aina masikongwe kaniseji neja kuongera kushikana sabeji hihi na Ruhanga.
Mtwenda Ruhanga. Nambwe twashaba mukama nkumarazo muchapomu mwashaba abahurire bambe. Abahurire.
Through your selfless giving, you honor the legacy of Bweranyanji, ensuring that the future students will thrive in the same nurturing environment that shaped you.
Bweranyanji is a school. It will pass the test of time. The legacy is anachronistic. It will live on forever.
Omuhandichi w'entura habwa Ministry y'ebyobwegese Dr. Kedres Triagenda ashabira bejo kugira obwesigwa n'amasiko obwire bwona.
I'll be a faithful student, I'll be a faithful worker, I'll be a faithful housewife, I'll be faithful. And the very, very last one is the consciousness of accountability, and it's in that parable of the talents.
Omukoro gugukirweho umuhabuzi wa President ahanshonga z'ibyamakuru Mayor Karoro Okurutu kandi asimire government ahabwo kwimusira kari abakazi.
Please take our appreciation to His Excellency, not just for what he has done for this country, but for the much effort he has put in the empowerment of women. When he came, he said, when NRM came, we called out women, we called out girls by name in public.
President Museveni ahiriye umuganda gwa miliyoni 50 okutentebo mu kaniseji gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.